Good day, Sir Leo Arcayos. Karon adlaw akong i-explain ang topic all about estimated position. This is very important in navigation because it helps us know where the ship is even without GPS or exact fix. Definition. Approximate location of the ship based on course, speed, time, and distance, not an exact fix. Okay. Estimate position means approximate location sa barko. Dili siya exact position pero gi-compute siya gamit ang course, speed, time ug distance travel. How it is determined. Start from last known position, add course third, multiply speed and times this equals distance travel, plot the new positions, that's the EP. Yeah. Para makuha ang estimated position, magsugod ta sa last known position. Then i-add ang course nga gister ang speed ug ang time nga nilakaw ang barko. From that, makuha na to ang approximate location. Importance. Provides location when exact fix is not available. Helps avoid danger areas. Guides navigator during poor visibility or loss of GPS. Okay. Importante ni siya kay kung mawala ang GPS or dili makita ang star for fixing naagyapon tay idea kung asa ta. This helps avoid danger and guides the navigator during poor visibility. Example, kung kung last known position sa barko is 8 AM, course 090 degrees, speed of 10 knots for 2 hours. Then ang estimated position at 10 AM is 20 miles north. Estimated position is an educated guess based on movement and time. Mao ni siya makatabang sa navigator para dili mawala ang barko. That's it.